Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video we will unbox one more diamond painting kit from Make Market that I purchased last weekend. There was a sale going on, 30% off on all the kits. And yesterday I got one more kit, this one. I think it is very cute and at the same time neutral. This way it can be given to anybody, whoever celebrates Christmas or doesn't celebrate Christmas, so a perfect image. And just to let you know, there is an event going on in Michael's, buy one frame, get two free. So if you are in need of the frame for your diamond painting kits, for anything else, I would advise you to use this opportunity and purchase it. It should be either the same price or lower. So I purchased the same priced frames. I got one and I did not pay for two other ones. So, and today we are going to unbox these two beautiful kits. The specifications are the same, 16 by 20 inches, full round drill diamond painting kits. Apart from being packaged inside the boxes, they also go in plastic bags. The kits include a standard set of tool, a wax, a tray, a stylus with a hand gripper, and a few Ziploc bags. And this is the canvas itself. The canvas, if you're new to the channel and if you don't know, is very similar to Diamond Dots one. It's woven polyester. As you can see, the symbols are pretty clear. There are no black wheels around the symbols, which is great. The adhesive is poured glue, pretty sticky. The canvas itself, the image itself, is not, well, I wouldn't say it's not color related. I would say it is semi color related. Okay, so you can see the completed image on the preview and the image on the canvas. So it is somewhat color related, and it contains 33 colors. I really hope that this kit contains AB diamonds. I already unboxed two in my previous video, and only one kit came with AB drills. So Santa with a cookie inside the house near the chimney, or near the fireplace. No, not near the chimney, right? Now let's see the drills. So unfortunately, this kit does not come with AB drills, although I think it would look really very nice with AB accents, and there is white color, which I will definitely replace with Diamond's AB drills, Diamond Dots AB drills, and I think it will look fantastic. And as you can see, the colors overall are pretty, I mean, I can't say dark or dull, but pastel, if it is possible to say so. There are lots of shades of beige, orange, brown, red. The right word for it, I would think muted, right? To tell the truth, I would expect it to be way brighter than than what you see. But I will definitely do a few modifications to this kit. First of all, I will add white ABs, and I was thinking of replacing maybe a few colors with crystals, especially, you know, over here behind him, behind Santa. I'm not sure what it is, like the lights on the fireplace. Yeah, so I will definitely replace these colors on the fireplace with crystals, and over here as well, and ABs. All the rest, I guess, would remain with original colors. I diamond painted Santa before, but it was from Diamond Dots. What I did, I replaced glass frame with no, it was not even a glass frame. It was like glass on glasses, right? So I replaced it with transparent silver crystals, and it looked amazing. It looked like real glass on glasses. Yeah, so over here I wouldn't be able to do it because there is no really there is on the frame. You can see on the frame, you don't really see the glass, so I don't think I will be able to do it, but I can add crystal accents on the lights and white ABs, definitely. So I'm a little bit disappointed because the colors are more muted than I would expect them to be, and there are no ABs. Okay, let's hope that the next kit that we are going to unbox comes with AB diamonds. The next gorgeous picture. That's how the canvas looks. This is horizontal, unlike the previous one. Again, specifications are the same. Fabric canvas, 40 by 50 centimeters, round reels, great printing, beautiful. But this kit comes with way more colors, 43. And of course, over here I was also planning of replacing drills with ABs. There is way more room for customization than on the previous ones. I would replace most likely the drills on the Christmas tree, not the Christmas tree itself, but the ornaments. I will try to do it with either ABs or crystals. I was also thinking of replacing the drills on the fireplace with crystals, but I'll think about it. If I have similar shades, I will do it because there should be accents, right? When we are enhancing and customizing our diamond painting with crystals, there should be accents, not like color blocks of crystals. Then it wouldn't um, look very nice. Also, the lights here on the girland or something like this. I'm not really sure the correct pronunciation for it. And that's pretty much it. Let's hope that this kit does come with AB diamonds. Okay, just like the previous kit, this one does not contain any AB colors, unfortunately, because I am pretty sure that this very design could benefit from ABs and crystals for sure. Okay, no crystals, but at least ABs. And as you can see, there is white color, so they could have added at least white ABs. Okay, but again, unlike the previous kit, this one has really very bright, festive Christmas colors, super bright. Look at that, beautiful, even brighter than on a preview. Lots of shades of green, of course, orange, yellow. Beautiful kit, beautiful colors, amazing. And at this point I'm looking at the diamonds, and I'm not sure if I could find similar shades to replace the fire in the fireplace. I wouldn't want to mess up the color blending because again the pixelation process, as for instance, is done manually by artists, by a team of designers over there or something, because they turn out pretty detailed. So what I'm going to do, I would definitely replace white color with white AB. I might replace this color with crystals, not crystals, I have neon drills that look like, that are very similar in shade. And they're used over here on the lights coming, it's M color, over here on the light coming out of candles, I guess. So, and definitely crystals on Christmas tree ornaments. So, both kits cost $10 on sale for me, but the original price is also pretty cheap, $15. As far as I know, the sale is still going on because I showed you I bought the forest kit when yesterday, yeah, yesterday, also for $10. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. You can either buy these kits in physical stores or online. I will leave the link in the description box below. The sale is going on online as well, 30% off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you soon.